Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a 3D pom-pom letter. I went on the internet and I found a letter T that I liked. So I printed it off and upscaled it and traced it around a piece of cardboard so I had a much bigger scale T. Then using some white corrugated cardboard, I then traced around to make two shapes. Now using an X-Acto knife, cut around the shape, so much easier than using scissors. You now have your two letters to start the project. You want to start putting some edging on all over, and that way we can make it into a box shape. I am using hot glue for this as it sticks fast and holds up. Add some hot glue to the inside creases. It really helps just to maintain the shape. And then just continue all around the shape until you finish. Now start placing edging all over the letter that you're using until you make a box shape. You now have your half box shape ready to place the other T on top. As you can see, I've already started decorating with pom-poms. I did make my own pom-poms as well. This is one of them. using a pom-pom maker that I bought online. I will be doing another video just to show you how to make the pom-poms. Now get creative. I bought this Diamante wrap as I thought it looked really nice around the outer edges. I will place a link in the description for everything that I've used in this video. Here's a completed 3D pom-pom letter. I also did another one with some roses that I did actually make myself. I do have a video up of that, so please go check that out. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.